Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Christopher King, and I guess we'll jump right into the questions just to get the icebreaker done. Um, so, I have gotten the opportunity to complete my field placement at my agency's IOP, which is the Intensive Outpatient Program. And so, what I do there on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I help to co facilitate an open process, sort of open discussion, sort of free association group from 10 to 12. And then on Mondays, I also facilitate alone a psychoeducation group with that particular program. And then on Fridays, I've also been given the opportunity to get a chance to practice individual therapy with one whole client, which is it's a growing experience for me, but it's been so exhilarating, and it's something that I really like about the program, which actually leads me into the first question that's posed to us. What is one thing that you really enjoy about your field experience? I think what I really enjoy about my field experience overall is um, getting an opportunity to leave my place of business on a daily basis and actually feel like I've committed to the idea of myself as somebody who helps people. And so it's evolved from this almost generic sense of wanting to help somebody. And I've actually fulfilled that by literally helping people every day. We have open process group therapy where we're there to support in a non judgmental environment. And then on Mondays, I'm completing psychoeducation component of the program where I have a planned itinerary and it can be whatever I want. So I have the freedom to create an itinerary of my own and be the one to really take credit for the help that I gave the clients that day. And then in my individual on Fridays, I get the chance to work with somebody one on one and plan out intervention strategies to really address and even assess the issues that they're having at that particular time. So those are all things that I enjoy, but that it comes down to the fact that I leave every day getting to say that I literally helped all of the clients that day. So it's kind of idealistic and it's quixotic in a sense, but it makes me satisfied every day on a daily basis. One challenge that I faced is the challenge that I have when it comes to speaking in front of people, especially when I know that I'm being scrutinized or judged. It's always nerve wracking for me to work up the courage to speak in front of a group, especially. And so co-facilitating and facilitating group therapy was naturally a challenge for me, and I've addressed it by sticking to my meditation practice on a nightly basis, and I find that that really helps put me in a calm state where I'm able to engage the group in a calmed state and with a clear mind, and so that's helped me face that challenge. And then one thing that I've learned about myself through this field experience, it sounds hokey, but I've learned that I pretty much can do anything that I put my mind to. And I'm very good at compartmentalizing stress at this point. So if we have an upcoming assignment that's not due until Thursday at midnight, I'm very good at when I have a lot to do, which I normally do throughout the day, I'm very good at just putting that stress off until 5 minutes before I have to sit down and complete the assignment. And so it helps to like put the stress where it's due when it's due. And meditation helps with that as well. So that's one thing that I've definitely learned is that I'm able to compartmentalize stress and not be as overwhelmed by experiencing all the anxiety produced by everything that's going on in my life at this time all at once. So with that being said, that answers all the questions. And I always do this, but I just want to wish everybody the best of luck with their courses this semester. If I can help out in any way, just let me know. Thank you and have a good night.